Hey divas, so in today's video I will be sharing with you guys this unit that I am rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby oh. His body baby oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. That thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, here, wine I'm through the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I am here to tell you guys how I feel about it. So let's just jump right in. So let me pull the hair to the front so you guys can see it. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit. So first of all, just taking a first look at her, she is super duper cute. I really do love the style. However, I do feel that it is a little bit different than what is on the stock card model, and it may be because my neck is short, but then I just feel like there's like, I don't know, like there's a few differences. So let's just get into it. So this is from the Bobbi Boss Medi Fresh Safe and Clean Cap collection. This is their 13x4 deep lace, and this is premium synthetic. I have her in the color number 1B. So let's go ahead and talk about the claims first before I just dive in and tell you guys like what I think. So I'm just reading the claims from right here straight on the stock card model. So it says 13x4 hand-tied lace, and I feel like that is true. And then it says pre-plucked hairline. So I feel as if like, I don't feel like it's super pre-plucked. Like you guys can let me know, but I just don't feel, I feel like it's like very dense. However, like I don't mind because the wig is still cute, but I just don't like, I don't want you guys to get this thinking like, oh, it's gonna be super pre-plucked, if you know what I mean. So it's not like super pre-plucked, so keep that in mind. So then it says it also has special colors, and it does. I chose to just go with a natural color because I originally thought that the unit was gonna look like this. Now I knew it was gonna fall a little bit longer, but I thought it was gonna be like a straight blunt cut. Like if you guys see, let me show you guys. So if you see right here, it's kind of like a straight blunt cut, where mine's is like very like bumped. So not to say that the unit is not cute, because obviously you guys can see like this is a super cute unit. I love how it is just beautifully layered. It's a long bob on me, and I think it's a long bob in general, but it's a long bob, and it's very cute, but I just don't feel like it looks the same as on the stock card model, and that's what I was thinking that I was gonna get. I was like, oh, because I've been waiting for a company to come out with this particular style, so that's why I was excited about it. But however, even though it's not you know, what I was expecting, I'm just gonna tell you guys like what I overall feel about it. So the hair is really soft. It has like a nice yucky texture, and I love the hair, the way that it feels in their premium synthetic wig collection. So yeah, I really love the way the hair feels. There is very minimal shedding and tangling. Okay divas, so I'm so sorry about that. The doorbell will ring while I'm filming. So yeah, where were we? So yeah, I really do like this style, even though it's not like what I was expecting, and I really love the texture of this unit. It's really nice. So I did experience just a little bit of shedding. It was nothing, it was actually less than I was expecting, so I really did like that. As far as pros and cons, I think that the con is kind of, you know, that it doesn't look exactly the way that it looks on the stock card model. That's one of my cons. But however, it is still a cute unit, so I really do like the fact that it is still a cute unit. Okay, so that's really good. Another con that I have is that it says that it's pre-plucked, but it's not. Now while I don't really mind, because you know, wearing it in the middle part you can't really tell, I don't really mind so much that it's not pre-plucked, but I don't like the fact that it says it on the stock card model and it's like advertised as that, because I know you fabulous divas out there will be expecting it to be a certain type of pre-plucked, just as I was. So I just, you know, I kind of have a con with that. However, it can still work, as you guys can see. So yeah, those are my cons with the unit. And then I also don't like the fact that it just bumps in so freaking much. Like, it's a lot for me, but I just still feel like this is a cute unit. It's definitely giving me like some 90s vibes, so I'm cool with that. So as far as pros about the unit, I love how soft the hair is. I love the parting space. I absolutely love the lace, because while it is transparent, it's not super hard to blend into the skin. Like, you don't get that white cast after you tint it. I did just go in and tint it with foundation, so that was really good. So I didn't feel like, you know, it's gonna be hard to tint this. So that was really a saving grace. I also really love like the pre-baby hairs that they have with it. I know you guys probably can't see them because the gel is making my forehead kind of shiny on camera because the light is directly on it, but the baby hairs, or the adult hairs, whatever you call them, are very like sparse, and I really love that, because it just allows for, you know, natural looking baby hairs. All I did was go in and cut them down, put some Got2b on them, and I was good to go. And I really like the cap construction. I would say if you have a large size head like me, you will definitely find that this will be glueless. I did not glue this down at all, and it's just pretty much like staying down. So that's really good. If you have a smaller size head and you just want to lay down like your edges or whatever, like I would just say to put like a bobby pin on the sides on the ear tab if you don't want to lay it all the way down. But yet again, you can if you want to, because this is a 13x4. But I love the fact that I can wear this glueless and it looks, you know, it looks really good. So overall, I do like the unit, but just don't expect to get this straight blunt cut that's on the stock card model, because as you guys can see, this is how it was when I took it straight out the pack. So it's like, it's different. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you guys are interested in this unit, I definitely will have a link in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.